Hey everyone, you don't need an expensive subscription to have a powerful CRM. In 2026, the integration between Google Sheets and Gemini AI is so seamless that you can build a self-sorting, lead-scoring CRM in minutes. Today, I'm showing you the exact smart workflow to turn a basic spreadsheet into an AI-powered sales assistant. Let's build it. Step 1. Structure your lead sheet. First, open a new Google Sheet. Create your headers: name, email, company, lead source, last interaction, and notes. Crucially, add two more columns: AI lead score and AI suggested next step. This is where Gemini will do the heavy lifting for you. Step 2. Enable the Gemini side panel. In 2026, you don't need complex plugins. Look at the top right of your Google Sheet and click the Gemini icon, the sparkling star. This opens the AI side panel. From here, Gemini can read your Sheet's data in real time. Make sure you've enabled data access in the settings so it can analyze your rows. Step 3. Automate lead scoring. Now, let's score your leads based on your notes. Highlight your notes column and ask Gemini in the side panel, as based on these interaction notes, give each lead a score from 1 to 10 in the lead score column. Gemini will analyze the sentiment, recognizing if a lead sounds ready to buy or just browsing, and fill the numbers in for you automatically. Step 4. Generate AI next steps. Use the prompt, look at the last interaction and lead score for these rows. In the next step column, write a one-sentence personalized follow-up strategy for each. Instead of you thinking about what to do next, Gemini will suggest actions like send pricing deck for high scores or check in next month for colder leads. Finally, let's set up the automated dashboard. Use conditional formatting on your AI lead score column so high scores turn green automatically. Pro tip, you can even ask Gemini to create a summary of lead sources, and it will generate a pivot table and graph in a new tab instantly. Now your CRM isn't just a list, it's a strategy center. With Gemini inside your sheets, you've just built a CRM that actually thinks for you. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.